Welcome to the next module, the Control Panel. The Control Panel serves as the central hub for administrative configuration within the platform, where users can manage and customize key system settings. From here, important administrative tasks are organized into 5 submodules: user management, data sets, document, fees, and audit trail, making system administration easy to access and control. Let's start with user management. This screen provides a full inventory of every account holder in your system. You can instantly see their assigned role, their current status, whether active or inactive, and their contact details. Adding a user is simple and straightforward. Click the New User button located at the top right of the page. From there, a form will appear where the necessary user details can be entered. Once the required information is completed, the new user can be added to the system. Next, we define the structure of your team via role management. Instead of managing permissions for every single person, CRIS uses a powerful role-based access control system. Here, you define job titles, like recruiter, administrator, or accounting, and manage access at the group level. When adding a new specialized position, click Add New Role. Start by naming the role and providing a clear description. Then, moves across the system modules, from recruitment and mobilization to reporting. Use the simple toggles to define specific actions. Can this role view data? Can they create records, edit entries, or delete information? This fine-grained control ensures maximum security with minimal effort. Save your configuration, and the new role is instantly active. Editing a role is just as simple. Users only need to click on the selected role from the list to open its details, where they can review and update the role name, description, and assigned settings as needed. This makes it easy to maintain role configurations and ensure access permissions remain accurate and up to date. The second submodule is datasets, where agencies can input and manage the customized reference data used throughout the platform. This section allows users to configure agency-specific information, such as branches, principals, projects, positions, clinics, industries, and other system records, ensuring the platform reflects the agency's actual structure, workflow, and operational needs. Adding data is simple and straightforward. Users only need to click Manage on the selected dataset, then enter the required information to create a new record. This makes it easy for agencies to build and maintain the customized data needed to support their day-to-day operations within the platform. The next section is documents, where users set up the native documents used within the agency so that the data collected for each document is properly defined, standardized, and aligned with the agency's internal process. This ensures that every required form captures the right information and can be used consistently across the platform. Creating a template is easy and flexible. Users can simply add or remove sections and rows to build the layout they need, then arrange the content according to their preferred resume structure. For more advanced customization, users also have the option to apply styling, adjust themes, or use CSS code to further personalize the template design. Moving on to document setup, this is where agencies define and manage all the documents required across their operations. Whether for recruitment, mobilization, or other internal processes, this section allows users to build each document based on the exact information their agency needs to collect. Users can set the document name, assign its type, define its status, set its rank or priority, and configure additional options such as alerts, expiry settings, priority tagging, and applicant upload permissions. Creating a new document is designed to be intuitive and flexible. Through the document builder, users can simply drag and drop field types into the workspace to design the document structure. Basic inputs such as text fields, text areas, numbers, email, phone, and other field types can be added depending on the data that needs to be captured. This makes it easy for agencies to standardize their forms, ensure the right information is collected every time, and adapt document requirements to match their own workflow and compliance process. Once you are done defining the documents needed, let us now move over to Document Group. As the name suggests, this is where users group related documents together for easier tracking, organization, and tagging throughout the recruitment and mobilization process. Instead of handling documents one by one, agencies can bundle them into a single group based on a specific requirement, stage, or workflow. Creating a document group is simple. Users only need to enter a group name, set its status, and then select the documents they previously created to be included in that group. This makes it easier to manage document requirements as a set, ensuring that the right documents are organized together and can be monitored more efficiently across the platform. Moving over to fees, this is where users define and manage the fees collected throughout the agency's process. Each fee can be configured with its name, amount, status, and who will shoulder the cost, whether it is the applicant or the employer. This allows agencies to clearly organize their charge structure and maintain consistent fee settings across recruitment and mobilization workflows. Editing a fee is just as simple. Users only need to click on the individual fee name from the list to open its details, where they can review and update the amount, status, assigned payer, and other relevant information as needed. This makes it easy to keep fee records accurate, updated, and aligned with the agency's current process. Moving on to fee groups, this works similarly to document groups. Instead of managing fees one by one, users can group related fees together into a single package for easier tracking, assignment, and management throughout the recruitment and mobilization process. This is especially useful when an agency regularly collects the same set of fees for a specific country, package, or workflow. Creating a fee group is simple. Users only need to enter a group name, set its status, and select the fees they previously created to be included in the group. This makes it easier to organize fee requirements as a bundle, apply them more consistently, and ensure that the correct charges are linked to the right process or applicant journey. Lastly, the audit trail serves as the record of all logged activities and changes made within the control panel. This allows users to track edits, updates, and created records across different administrative sections, along with details such as the action taken, timestamp, and user responsible. It helps maintain visibility, accountability, and easier monitoring of system changes. That concludes the control panel module. As the administrative backbone of the platform, it gives users the ability to configure essential system settings, organize operational data, and maintain structure across users, documents, fees, and activity logs. With these tools in place, agencies can keep their platform aligned with their workflow, standardized for daily use, and easier to manage as operations grow.